Viral strawberry cream sandwich for just 40p. M&S is overly priced. So I headed to Aldi and grabbed everything I need to make my own dreamy strawberry cream sandwiches on a budget. Let's make it. In a mixing bowl, pour in some double cream, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a dash of vanilla essence, just enough to give it that lovely sweet aroma. Now whip it up until you get soft, fluffy peaks. This luscious cream is enough to make 6 sandwiches, so you're getting value and flavor. Transfer the whipped cream into a piping bag. It's easier, neater, and way more satisfying to use. Cut the tip of the piping bag so the cream can come out nicely smooth and even. Now grab some cling film and lay down your first slice of bread, pipe on a generous layer of that vanilla whipped cream, and then gently flatten it with a knife so it spreads evenly to the edges. This helps keep every bite balanced. Next, layer on fresh strawberries. I placed whole strawberries diagonally and used sliced strawberries to fill the rest of the bread that way. Every single bite has a pop of juicy strawberry. Add a bit more cream on top of the strawberries to hold the top slice in place, and then lay down your second slice of bread. Wrap it all up nice and tight in the cling film and pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. This helps everything hold together perfectly when you cut it. Now for the best part, unwrap and cut carefully. Look at those layers. Soft bread, sweet cream, juicy strawberries, absolute perfection. I made 5 sandwiches and guess what? Each one cost me just 40p, sorry M&S. My homemade sandwiches win this round.